everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we are making potato wedges, and I am going to be making it already washed, but we're not going to peel it with the skin. So this is how I will make this potato wedges. It's very easy. Just make it all the wedges like this. I'm gonna be putting them in the oven. I will show you how I make mine. Very easy and delicious. You will love this potato. Why I don't take out the skin, it make it richer and it's very crunchy when it's very well cooked. Don't worry about the shape of potato. So these are already cut potato wedges. Right away we're gonna be adding salt. No, potato loves salt, but not too much anyway. That's enough. We're gonna be adding, this is paprika. We're gonna be adding paprika. It will change the color. And also I am gonna be adding herbs, dried herbs. It's Italian minced herb. Then I will be adding pepper, black pepper. Just gonna grind enough of it to it. It's called black pepper. So that will be enough. Right now, I'm just gonna add olive oil. These are olive oil. Just add a amount of. So this is it. Now I'm just gonna mix everything together. See, these are potato wedges. It's very good. So right now I will put them in a parchment paper. Cover my tray with parchment and just put them and put it to the oven. So this is the parchment paper. I cover the tray with parchment paper. Then I'm just gonna be putting all the wedges. It's very easy. Just open it up. Don't put it down like this. Let the faces. Just bring it out. That's it. The wedges is ready. Right away I have to put it in the oven for at least 40 to 45 minutes on 420 degrees. Thank you all. And please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So these are the wedges. Is already cooked and it's so crunchy and tasty. So let's serve now. So it's time to serve it now. You see? Oh my God. So these are all the wedges and the sauce. This is vegetable sauce made with mushroom and parsley. It's so good for these delicious wedges. Thank you all, and I wish you all are here to enjoy this very delicious food with me. Please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.